Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix the Xbox 360 blinking red light issue. This problem is often referred to as the red ring of death and is usually caused by overheating or a hardware failure. To fix this issue, follow these steps. First, ensure your Xbox 360 is turned off and unplugged from the power source. Next, check the vents and grills for any dust or debris that may be blocking airflow. Use compressed air to clean out the vents and grills, making sure to hold the can upright to prevent any liquid from coming out. Once you have cleaned the vents and grills, plug in your Xbox 360 and turn it on. If the red light is still blinking, try the towel trick. This involves wrapping a towel around the Xbox 360 to trap heat and help the system reset. Turn on the Xbox 360 and let it run for a few minutes while wrapped in the towel. Then, turn it off and let it cool down before trying to use it again. If the towel trick does not work, you may need to send your Xbox 360 in for repairs or consider replacing it. It is also a good idea to ensure your Xbox 360 is in a well-ventilated area and that it is not blocked by any objects that may be causing it to overheat. In addition to these steps, there are some best practices you can follow to help prevent the red ring of death from happening. In the first place, make sure to keep your Xbox 360 clean and dust-free, and avoid blocking the vents and grills. You should also ensure that your Xbox 360 is in a well-ventilated area and that it is not overheating. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to fix the Xbox 360 blinking red light issue and get back to gaming. Remember to always handle your Xbox 360 with care and to follow proper maintenance procedures to help extend its lifespan.